In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Outlook. So I'm here on my computer, and the first thing I'm going to do is open a web browser. Once the browser opens, I go up to the address bar and navigate to the Microsoft Account Security page. This is where Microsoft manages account protection settings, including password changes. When the page loads, I sign in using my Outlook email address and the current password for the account. After signing in successfully, I'm taken to my Microsoft account dashboard where different security and account options are available. From here, I look for the security section and click on it. Once I click security, the page opens with several options related to protecting the account. In this area, I look for the option labeled password security or change my password. When I find it, I go ahead and click on it. Now a new page appears where I can update my password. The first thing I need to do is enter my current password. This confirms that I'm the account owner before making any changes. I type my current password carefully in the field provided. Next, I move to the field where I can create a new password. I type the new password I want to use. After that, there's another field asking me to confirm the new password, so I type the same password again to make sure everything matches. Once both fields are filled out and everything looks correct, I move down and click Save. As soon as I click Save, Microsoft updates the password for my Outlook account. From this point forward, the new password will be required whenever I sign into Outlook or other Microsoft services connected to this account. And that's it. I opened a web browser, went to the Microsoft account security page, signed in with my Outlook email address, clicked security, selected change my password, entered my current password, created a new one, confirmed it and clicked save. The password for the Outlook account is now successfully updated.